Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pooja's Kitchen Time. Today's recipe is pakoras. This is an all-time favorite snack at my home. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes to make. If you want more recipes from my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Now let's see what all we need. 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, adjust as per your spice level, few curry leaves chopped, some dill leaves, some capsicum chopped, pinch of soda, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds, and 1 small piece lemon. Half a cup gram flour, 2 to 3 tablespoon rice flour, pinch of hing. Oil for frying and salt to taste. In a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients except soda and lemon. If you don't have dill leaves, you can add coriander leaves. Add salt. Mix everything well. To this add rice flour and gram flour. To this add hing. Mix everything well and add water. The batter should be not too thick and too thin. Finally add soda and squeeze some lemon. Check the taste. Now deep fry it on a medium flame till golden and crispy. Now the pakoras are ready. This is a very good snack and side dish for lunch. If any unexpected guest arrives, this is the best option. Do give it a try and share me your feedback. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment box below. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon.